Hi friends, today we're going to explore Canadian coins. We'll learn their names, their values, and how to recognize them. Let's have some fun with money. Hello friends, and welcome to our educational adventure about Canadian money. Today we're going to learn all about the coins that people use in Canada. Are you ready? Let's dive in. In Canada, like many other countries, money is used to buy things we need and want. It's important to learn how money works, and today we'll start with coins. Canadian coins come in different values, and each one is unique. Let's start with the penny. The penny is equal to 1 cent. It's not the smallest Canadian coin, but it has the lowest value. Because it cost more to make than it was worth, Canada stopped using pennies. You can recognize it because it has a copper color and 2 maple leaves. Next, we have the nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. How many pennies would you need to make a nickel? That's right. 5 pennies equal 1 nickel. You can recognize a nickel because it has a beaver on the face of it. Moving up, we meet the dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. That's the same as 10 pennies. A nickel is worth 5 pennies. So how many nickels make 10 cents? Two nickels make 1 dime. You can recognize a dime because it has a blue-nosed schooner on the face. This is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. We learned that a dime is worth 10 cents and a nickel is worth 5 cents. 2 dimes are worth 20 cents. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. When you add them together, 20 cents plus 5 cents equals 25 cents. That is the same value as 1 quarter. You can recognize a quarter because it has a caribou on it. This is the 50-cent coin. I bet you've never seen one before because we don't use them in everyday life. It is worth 50 cents. That's the same as 2 quarters. It's still real Canadian money, but most people use nickels, dimes, or quarters to make 50 cents. After that, we have the loonie, which is special because it's worth $1. In terms of cents, that's like having 100 pennies, 20 nickels, 10 dimes, or 4 quarters. You can recognize it because it is gold-colored and has a loon on it. The loon is a water bird. It swims and dives in lakes. This is the toonie. A toonie is worth $2. That's the same as 2 loonies, or 8 quarters, or 200 cents. Wow, that's a lot of coins for just 1 toonie. You can recognize it because of its gold center and silver border, and of course, the polar bear that's on its face. Knowing the value of these coins can help us count money and buy things. When you add up coins, remember to start with the largest value first. This makes adding easier and quicker. So remember, nickel for 5 cents, dime for 10 cents, quarter for 25 cents, loonie for $1, and toonie for $2. Now you know how Canadian coins work. Practice with real or plastic coins to learn what each one is worth. Then you can think about what you want to buy, and even impress your parents with your money know-how.
From one teacher to another and to parents learning at home, thank you so much for watching. If this helped your classroom or your home learning, please support my channel by subscribing.